Can I reassign my drive letters? This actually came up a long time ago when somebody actually had more than 26 drives assigned to their machine. They ran out of drive letters. As it turns out, you don't need to have that many drives for this to be a useful piece of information to know. Can I reassign my drive letters? Drive letters like C, D, and so on are assigned by Windows to reference your hard disks. They are not cast in stone. Drive letters can be changed. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is AskLeo.com. Question. I have two hard disk drives and a CD-ROM drive on my computer. The HDDs are C and E, and the CD-ROM drive is D. Is it possible to swap the HDD letters, i.e. C becomes E and E becomes C? Or are the letters fixed at the time of format? Drive letters are not assigned at format time. And yes, they can be changed. In fact, it's quite easy to change them, and I do it all the time. For every drive except C, that is. C is special. First, let's look at how. Disk Manager. Right-click on the Start menu and click on Disk Management. In prior versions of Windows, you may need to right-click on My Computer or its equivalent, click on Manage, and in the resulting application, click on Disk Management. This will bring up the Disk Management tool. You'll see that I have several disks. C is my system drive. L is a second internal data drive. E is my DVD/CD drive. Having that second drive assigned L seems somewhat odd, so let's change it. Changing an assigned drive letter. Close any programs that might be accessing the drive you're about to change. Right-click on the drive in Disk Management. In my case, that's the L drive. Click on Change Drive Letter and Paths in the resulting context menu. The resulting dialog will display all the drive letters currently assigned, in my case, L. Click on the drive letter, L in the example above, and then on Remove. You will get a warning. It's not enough that you've closed programs currently accessing the drive. Any program configured for any reason to access drives using the old letter will need to be adjusted to access using the drive letter we're about to assign. You may get additional warnings if the drive is still in use. Generally, you can proceed and then reboot when we're done for the changes to take effect. Right-click on the disk in Disk Manager again. It won't show a drive letter since we just removed that. And click on Change Drive Letters and Paths again. This time, click on the Add button in the resulting dialog. You'll be presented with a dialog that allows you to select from available drive letters. I've clicked on D, a more sensible assignment for an internal drive in my opinion. Click on OK, and the assignment will be made. You can exit the Disk Management tool, reboot if you were warned earlier about the drive being in use. Multiple letters and paths. You might infer from the interface that you can assign multiple drive letters to the same drive. You cannot. If you try to add without removing first, the ability to assign a drive letter will be grayed out. Paths, referenced throughout the dialog, are an alternative way to refer to the drives without consuming another drive letter. The topic is advanced and I won't go into detail, but the short version is simply create an empty folder on your C drive. Perhaps call that folder D drive. Assign the path C:\D drive to the drive using steps similar to what we've just done. Now you can access the contents of the D drive as if it were in the D drive folder on C. You can even remove the drive letter assignment if you like and only access it via that path. An important word about C. Do not change the drive letter of your system drive. In most cases, that's C. The reason is simple. When Windows was installed, it was installed onto the C drive. And doing so will have created many, many references to C that simply changing the drive letter will not update. It's even possible your machine will not boot if you change the drive letter of C. For links related to this article or to leave a comment, visit askleo.com/2743. I'm Leo Notenboom. This is AskLeo.com. Thanks for watching.